Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Retro Gamer Shaker card. I posted in the official group, I think it was Friday, asking you guys for input on what types of captions you'd like to see. One person mentioned they'd love to see like level 1, level 2, level 3, and I was like, okay, I might go through and create them all, but realized it's a lot easier instead of me having to make 200 of them to show you how to make it your own, and you can make it say whatever you want. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do here. So this is the card. It's a shaker card. It comes with a few, well, probably a dozen or so captions. We've got some new ones coming out today. But what you want to do is visit dafont.com and grab yourself a copy of Pixeboy, Pixeboy. We'll actually put the link under the free SVG section for the bonus captions that we're coming out with today, one of which includes a blank version of this pixel art background. Okay, and you'll see that under Shop and Free Printables. Okay, it's going to show up here. And once you have it downloaded, you're going to open up your design space, and you're going to click Upload, and we're going to upload image. And then in the folder that contains the new bonus captions, you'll see that there's a blank version of the dark and the light, okay? So if we take the blank ping, we'll drag and drop it, hit continue, and I'm not going to change anything here. It's a ping file. It already has the background cleaned up. Hit apply and continue, and we're going to do flat graphic, okay? And we'll upload that. And here it is. Now remember, the Pixeboy font, you're going to want to download and install it, and then open up your design space, because sometimes when you install a new font with design space already open, it won't show up. So if you installed it with design space running in the background, just restart your design space. Okay, this ping file, when it comes in, we need to resize it to 3.75 inches wide. Make sure that this little lock is locked here. We'll type in 3.75 and hit enter. It will automatically adjust the height. Okay, and here it is. I just zoomed in a little bit. We're going to grab our text tool. Okay, and I already had it set up to use the Pixeboy font. Yours may not do that. Yours may just use a generic system font. But to locate it, you're going to go under System. Actually, let me do this again so that you can actually see what is going on here. I'm going to click on Text, and let's just pretend that it came up with some random font, okay? With the font or the text highlighted. So I'm going to type in level 34. Let's say it's someone's 34th birthday. You're going to go under font here, and you want to make sure that you highlight the system option here, okay, because it's a system font. It's not a Cricut font. And I'm going to type in Pixe, P-I-X-E. It should browse your installed fonts and find the font in question. There it is. Okay. And the way that I did this was I changed the color from whatever the default is to white. Okay, and then you can resize it however you want. And then add an offset. Okay, so up here with the text highlighted, click offset. And you can see this vague, just a very subtle blue. I'm going to bring that down a little bit. I don't want it to be that big. I think if I remember correctly, it was like 0.0 something. Let's see. 0.069 looks good. Let's hit apply, and there it is. Okay. So just like we did, just like the bonus captions we created, I literally just did that for you here in a few seconds. If you take and draw a selection box around the printable background and the text and highlight that, we can hit align, and then we can align center horizontally, and it just barely nudged it. I almost had it perfectly centered, and then we can center vertically. Now you know that it's dead center. We'll go ahead and draw a selection box around it again, and we're going to flatten it, and now we've turned that into a print then cut. Okay, if I undo that and go back in here, you can double click on the text, and you can literally write whatever you want. Now, before we do that though, we need to get rid of the offset. The offset's here. Let's just delete it. We have it selected. Go back here, and we can type happy. Next line, birthday. I just hit enter, and then let's just say Carl. I'm not sure who Carl is, but it's his birthday. Okay. And we can decrease the line spacing so that they're not so spaced apart. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so that's nice and white. You can increase this if you want. You can decrease it however you want to do it. Now let's go ahead and draw a selection box around the text and the image. And let's align it again. Align center vertically, center horizontally. There we go. Now let's select the text again and go under offset. And it should remember that it was at 0.069. Now I did shrink the font a little bit, so I might want to shrink this a little bit as well. So I'm just going to go 0.06 instead of 69. Hit apply. And there it is. Okay, we'll select it all, hit flatten. And now when we go to make it, you'll see that it's literally just a print and cut. We have that nice round corner on all four sides. And you are ready to go with your custom caption for our Retro Gamer Shaker card. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos and please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section where you'll find over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly tutorials. I'll see you in the craft room.